From here, we'll click online store, and I am going to provide a zip file where you can just come to import theme, upload zip file, and you just click upload file like that. And this is where the fun begins, guys. So I hope you're ready to get working. So this is what you guys will find in the description, by the way. It is our pre-built theme doc where we have the download file, we have the chat GPT prompt for you, and I also threw in some bonuses like a product title chat GPT prompt, the product pricing formula, chat GPT image guide, the apps you need. I got you guys hooked up. So with the theme added, we're going to publish this to our store. And now when we come to the theme editor, this is the pre-built theme. It's already edited accordingly. So we need to edit our announcement bar once more. Reminder, we're doing free shipping on orders. It was 40 plus, so we're going to save that. And I also have a little urgency added to help you guys out. This is a newer feature added to the pre-built theme. My students have a slightly different one, but this one is still just as good. It's a little spammy, scammy, but hey, whatever helps get the sale, guys. I'm not going to judge ya. So we have a chat GPT prompt here where we just need to copy this, and then we can go to chat GPT, and on the same prompt that gave us our product name from earlier, I'm going to paste this in here, and we're going to say we're going with the Therma hood. You know, that's our product name. Additionally, I'm going to upload all of our product photos that we made with AI. That way, it's at least educated on the product we're selling, and it has a little more of an idea of how to curate the description. But paste this, and this description is in the exact order of the template, where we'll just need to copy paste the text over to our store. It's actually very, very simple. So it's going to give us our emoji benefits. We'll start copying this right now. So take those. We'll return to our store. Under product information, remember we come to emoji benefits. We're going to paste these in here. We're going to remove the bold text, and man, this is so beginner, but you know what? Notice how there's a blank line here, and I need to disable my camera for you guys, but see how there's a blank line in between these? Delete that. And now you see like it's too close to each other. So it's just these little things you need to learn with like spacing. And we'll do it again here. Ta-da! I hope you guys were able to see that. If not, replay it. Keep watching until you see what I just did. And there is a chance sometimes you'll need to update the emojis. So cozy warmth that hugs your face, fire is good. Blocks harsh winter, the ice is good. This one we're going to update to some sparkles. The sparkles are a good one. So you can go to Emojipedia. This is one of my favorite websites. But on here, you can just type in the emoji you need. So we're going to type in sparkles, and we'll just copy this. And then on our store, we can update that accordingly, which is easy as right there. And another pro tip on the mobile view, make sure that these all fit on one line. Like you see how this fits two lines. This is one line. This is two lines right here. Ensure they all fit on one line like this one. Now, I will say if you're on the mobile view on the theme editor, it's a little more skinny than your iPhone. So if you were to pull this up on your phone, like it's an extra inch wider, where these all should fit on one line. Same with our review stars right here. Let me actually pull it up. Why not just prove it to you guys? Okay, so here is it on my phone. And as you can see, everything fits on one line. But if they were to fit on two lines, shorten the damn text. Also, don't use generic emojis. Like, think like, you got to be a little more feminine with your emojis. Like if you're some macho man, hey, that's cool, but you got to recognize who's actually buying. So next, for our swatches here, we're going to install Kaching bundles in a minute, but I would just recommend you do the drop down. That's pretty good. Alternatively, you could set it to pills as well and have the pills you click, which again, see how this fits on two lines, like it takes up some space, how this third variant is on the like a bottom row. If you were to pull this up on your phone, these would all probably be in line. The reason I'm such a stickler with this is you want your add to cart to be as close to the top as possible. So by just saving all this little space, your store's more and more optimized. So just thank me later. I'm saving you guys months of trial and error here. So next we have our reviews. So on the left side, we have reviews here. So on the ChatGPT prompt, we have reviews. So we're going to copy all three of these, And then right here, we can just paste them in. So we'll get the first one pasted, get the next one pasted, the author, and make sure we don't have any blank lines between these. Get the third review pasted. Easy. Go back to ChatGPT, how it works. Now, if you're selling a different clothing product, you may need to make a sizing guide. So okay. So if you need a sizing guide, there's so much to cover. There's things I just do in the back of my head that I've been doing for years. My team knows how to do. So to really go back to square one, it's like trying to explain mathematics to a first grader. I'm trying to bring you guys up to the speed. So with clothing products, you may need to create a new page and call this size guide. And I just went to online store pages, new page. You can attach an image here of a size chart. And then on the theme editor, you can add a page here. You can add a page to the row and that would appear. And you can rename that to like size guide. Now, this is way too much text, by the way. I'm going to tell ChatGPT to just shorten this text in half. The reason I say it's too much freaking text, guys, is like it's a big wall of text. And even if you split it into two, that is a lot of text for a collapsible tab. So I think we can have just half the length here and be perfectly as good. So we're going to take the new text. It says the thermo hood slides easily on and seals in warmth around your neck, head, and face. Adjust the hood mask or neck area. Adjust the hood mask or neck area cover as needed. It's dual layer fleece traps heat while staying breathable, making it perfect for under helmets and winter gear. This is still a bit lengthy, honestly. But one thing I'd recommend you do is bold some words. So we can say slides on easily and seals in warmth, bold. And then we can say traps heat while staying breathable. Boom. Those are two good things we can bold right there that will easily jump out to the viewer. People are lazy. They aren't going to read every word. So if you can bold a word here, bold a word in the middle, helps it jump out more, and even split the text up into different sections. I'm sure you guys are on some people's newsletter and they blast you 10 times a week. I'm one of them. But notice how like we format our emails, how like we split them up so they're easy to read. There's a reason behind that, and the same thing applies to your product pages as well. The guarantee should already be done for you. It's already on the pre-built theme with the shipping policy. So next then, we have our first main benefit. So we can come back to ChatGPT. We'll scroll up to the first benefit right here. I copy it all at once, but on here, we'll click the text. I'm just going to paste it all in. We're going to remove the headline to my keyboard. We can go paste the headline in now. And then here, it's the same concept. We want to split it into two, and we want to bold some words. So the thermo hood wraps you in heat from every angle, eliminating icy sting that hits your face. Eliminating the icy sting that hits your face. Or we can say wraps you in heat from every angle. Whether you're skiing, working outdoors, or walking your dog at night, it delivers a reliable protection that keeps you comfortable longer. So these are pretty good. And we'll get another image for our description here, by the way. So reminder, we can just click on this. And during our AI image process, I did create a few extra images. So I found this GIF